All right, probability of compound events. So here you have the word mathematics. So each letter is on a card, and we're going to use this particular example for example 1 and 2. So what's the probability, so big P means probability, of picking an A? So the first thing we need to do is know how many letters we have. So you have 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you have 11 letters total. And then how many A's? Well, you have 1, you have 2. So it's a 2 out of 11 chance. So if we wanted to write it as a fraction, or the fraction as a percent, we would take this. It would be that is equal to 0.1818. So it's about an 18% chance that you would pick an A. If we went back over and then we look at the example 2, it says P and then squiggly line A, which means what is the probability of not getting an A? Okay, so if we, again, count up the number of cards, which is 11, and then count up the letters that aren't A's, that would be 9. So you have a 9 out of 11 chance, or a, so that is a decimal is 0.818, so it's an 81.8 chance, or an 82% chance, if we round up. So that's how you find the probability, just kind of choosing letters out of names. Then we talk about a marble bag. So we've got 3 green, 2 blue, 6 yellow, and then 1 red. So altogether, total, we've got 3 and 2 is 5, plus 6 is 11, 12. So now they're saying, what is the probability that you will choose a green marble twice? Note you replace the marble each time. This is very important that you know whether or not you replace, because it'll change your answer. So for this one, if we say, well, if we're going to pick a green one, we have 3 green, so it'll be a 3 out of 12 chance. And then the next time that I go back in the bag to pull out a marble, I'm replacing the green one that I took, so we still have 3 out of 12. So if we go through, it's a 9 out of 1/44 chance, which gives us a decimal of this, which is about 6% chance. All right, next question. So there will be times too that you will be using a deck of cards. So here I just wrote down what's in a deck of cards. So you have hearts where you have 13, you have diamonds, there are 13 of them, you have spades, clubs, and then you always have an ace. You have an ace in each of the suits, numbers 2 through 10, and then a jack, queen, king. So make sure that you write that down so you have that to reference. So when you take a card, so we're going to look at example 6, from a regular deck, record the suit and place it back into the deck. You then choose another card. So we're always replacing, so no matter what, we're always going to have 52 cards. Okay, so another thing, total 52 cards. So we want to know the probability that you choose a heart first, then a spade. Okay, so we go back up to our information. We notice that you're going to have, for hearts, you have 13. So when you write out your fraction, you have 13 out of 52. I replace the heart, so next time I still have 52 cards. I look and I say, well, ace of spades. Well, how many ace of spades are there? Only 1. So that'll be 1 out of 52 chance. You next multiply across the top, across the bottom. So you'll have 13 over 2,704. And then I'm going to just take 13 and divide it by 2704, which gives us a decimal of that. To find the percent, we move it over twice, so it's 0.48. So it's about a 0.5% chance that you would actually pick a heart and then the ace of spades.